Sorry, you ate what for breakfast? Sometimes you hear most of what someone says, but you don't catch one or two words. In this situation, one option is to just ask, "Excuse me? Sorry? Pardon me?" Or, "Could you repeat that, please?" However, if you do that, they might think that you didn't understand anything, and they might try to say it a different way. So, how can you show them that you understood most of it, but you just missed a word or two? You can use something called an echo question. What's an echo question? An echo question is when you basically repeat what they said, but you replace the word that you didn't hear with a question word. If that sounds confusing, don't worry, we're going to look at a few examples. So maybe someone says, "Rodrigo ate all of the biscuits," and you understood almost everything, but you didn't catch the word biscuits. The echo question would be, "Rodrigo ate all of the what?" We replaced the thing that we didn't hear with a question word. And because we know that it was a thing, the question word that we use is what. If we knew that they said a time, we could replace the time that we didn't hear with the word when. If someone says, "Shannon went there yesterday," but you didn't catch the word yesterday, you would say, "Sorry, Shannon went there when?" If we knew that they said a place, but we didn't catch the place, we would use the question word where. If someone says, "Fatima went to the bank," but you didn't catch the word bank, you would say, "Sorry, Fatima went where?" And in that example, notice that we removed the word to because we didn't actually say the location. And if we didn't hear a name or a person, we would use the word who. If someone says, "I gave the potatoes to Tobias," but you didn't catch the name, Tobias, you would say, "Sorry, you gave the potatoes to who?" However, if you miss a verb, it's a little bit more difficult because you're probably going to use do and what. And you might need a preposition, such as to or for. So if someone says, "John kicked Barbara's dog," but you didn't catch the word kicked, you would say, "Sorry, John did what to Barbara's dog?" And notice that I used did, not do. That's because the original sentence was past tense. If someone says, "He has eaten," but you didn't catch the word eaten, you would say, "Sorry, he has done what?" Has done what because the original sentence was present perfect. And another thing that I want you to notice is that you have to say these a specific way. You can't just say, "He has done what." It doesn't sound like a question, and it's going to confuse the other person. It needs to be, "He has done what?" Stress or emphasize or focus on the question word. And it's going to have a rising intonation. So it's not what, it's what? The tone, your voice, the sound is going it's going up, it's rising. And finally, we also use echoes when we have heard something, but we are surprised, shocked, or maybe confused. So if your friend says, "I ate 200 frogs yesterday," you could say, "You ate 200 what yesterday?" You know that your friend said frogs, but you're showing your friend that you are shocked that they ate 200 frogs. Now, I want each of you to try to make some echo questions for this sentence. Listen carefully. The goose delivered 30 bananas to his friends yesterday. And remember, you can make the echo question about the subject, the object, the verb, the time, the amount, the location, or any other information. I look forward to reading your echo questions. Thank you for watching.